Okay, good morning one and all. Today we will discuss speed of efflux, Torricelli's law. The word speed of efflux, the word efflux means a fluid is outflow. Fluid outflow. Okay, the fluid is moving outside is called the efflux. Okay, here the speed of efflux at a narrow region, okay, narrow hole, is find out with using of Torricelli's equation, Torricelli's law. So this is the closed tank. In this closed tank we can use the density of fluid. Rho is a density of fluid. The fluid density is rho. Okay, this tank is consist a side of a small hole. It is a side at a height is from the bottom. Okay, the side height is, we can take the height from bottom. The side height is y1. Okay, and second, the open air, okay, in this tank from the surface of the bottom, the height will be taken here. The height of this fluid up to air is y2. So the remaining from the air, the height, we can take the height from the hole is h. Small h is height. Okay, here the area, so this is, we consider, so it is 0.1, so it is 0.2. At 0.1 area is taken capital A1, area of hole, a small hole is A1, and velocity is V1. Here the area of tank is more than small hole, the area is A2, so here the velocity is V2 here. Okay, now pressure, so pressure we consider pressure of at 0.1, so it is P1. The pressure is here P2. Okay, P1 and here P2. So here P2 is considered as a P. Okay, P is a pressure. So next here, so it is at open air. Okay, open, so this is open at atmosphere. So then here P1 equals to, we consider P1 equals to PA. Okay, atmospheric pressure. So it is comes out with velocity V1 from the equation of continuity. So area into velocity equals to area into velocity at this point, in this point. So A1 V1 equals to A2 V2. Okay, so from this point V2 equals to A1 by A2 into V1. So this is equation number 1. So here area of A1 is nothing but area of small hole. a small hole area is very small, and this tank area is more. So let the area of tank is larger and larger than area of hole. So then the velocity at a tank, the velocity of fluid at tank is approximately equals to 0. Okay, so at this region, okay, a small hole region and open air, this tank region number 1 and region number 2, we can using Bernoulli's principle, Bernoulli's equation, from using Bernoulli's equation. So what is Bernoulli's equation? P1 plus half rho V1 square plus rho G H1 equals to P2 plus half rho V2 square plus rho G H2. Okay, substitute the equations. P1 equals to PA plus half rho V1 square plus H1 is nothing but it is Y1. Okay, from the bottom the height is Y1, so rho G Y1, okay, equals to P2 is nothing but it is take P plus of rho. So what is V2 value? V2 value is approximately equals 0. So then into 0 plus rho G. H2 is nothing but the total height from the bottom, so to the air. So it is Y2. So here we can find out of rho V1 square, okay, equals to, so this terms is take right side P minus PA into plus rho G Y2 minus rho G Y1. Okay, the common terms are rho G into rho G, that equals to P minus PA plus rho G Y2 minus Y1. Here Y2 minus Y1, the total height minus this Y1 equals to H, equals to P minus PA plus rho G H. Okay, this is of rho V1 square. We can find out V1 square. V1 square equals to 2. Okay, so 1 by 2 becomes right side, it is 2 P minus PA by, so this is by rho plus 2 rho GH by rho. Rho gets cancelled, so V1 equals to square root of 2 into P minus PA by rho plus 2GH. So this is equation number 2. Okay, so this is the velocity at first region, the velocity of fluid from the hole. V1 equals to square root of 2 into P minus PA by rho plus 2GH. So in this equation number 2, we consider P is greater than and greater than PA. The pressure inside the tank, the fuel tank, or inside the tank, the pressure is greater than and greater than, so very larger than the atmospheric pressure. So then the above equation, so here 2GH is ignored. Okay, this type of application is using in rocket. Okay, in the rocket fuel tank, the pressure, the thrust, the pressure is very more than atmospheric pressure. So then, so it is not considered the 2GH, the height, the 2GH value. And again we consider, okay, if we take the tank is open at top. That means, so this is the tank, okay, this is tank. The tank is open here, so the fluid is here. So this is the fluid. Okay, the fluid is coming out. So here it is V1, so it is V2. V2 is equals to 0. Okay, tank is open to the atmosphere. Okay, tank is open at top to the atmosphere. So what happens here? P equals to PA. Okay, so P equals to PA is nothing but P minus PA equals to 0. Substitute this value in equation number 2. So we can V1 equals to square root of P minus PA equals 0. 0 into something 0. So 0 plus 2GH equals to 2GH. So this is equation number 3. Okay, V1 equals to square root of 2GH. When the tank at the top to the atmosphere, it is open at the top of atmosphere. So V1 equals to the fluid velocity at small hole, V1 equals square root of 2GH. So it is taken a freely falling body. So when this is ground, from the ground a body is at top. Okay, this is the height. So mass of the body is m. So what is the potential energy at the top? The potential energy at the top is mgh, and kinetic energy is 0 here, and it is moves freely falls to the ground. So then at the ground the kinetic energy equals to half mv square. So potential energy here 0. From the conservation of energy, mgh equals to half mv square. Okay, m gets cancelled. From this equation we can write here v equals to under root of 2gh. So when a freely falling body, the velocity is square root of 2gh. So then the fluid is moving, it is dropped to the ground. So same equation like a freely falling body. So equation number 3 for the fluid, V1 equals square root of 2gh as equation number here equation number 3 is known as Torricelli's law. Torricelli's law. Okay, so this is the Torricelli's equation or Torricelli's law. So our next topic is venturimeter. So the venturimeter is a device. The venturimeter is a device to measure the flow speed of incompressible fluid. Okay, so to measure this incompressible fluid, the velocity, so we can measure with using of this venturimeter. So we can measure the speed of incompressible fluid. So in this venturimeter, so it is consist a tube at two ends is more diameter is large, in middle it is constriction, the diameter is very low. Okay, so this venturimeter tube, venturi channel is connected to a manometer. So the manometer is consists a U tube. Okay, U-shaped tube. So one end is connected the end of the so this venturi channel, and other end of the U-shaped tube is connected at constriction of a middle so of this venturi channel. Okay, so here the density of fluid, incompressible fluid is rho. Okay, we can consider here it is rho, and the manometer is consist manometer fluid density is rho m. Okay, rho subscription m, manometer, so fluid density. Next here, at a narrow shape the area is small a, so it 0.2, and pressure at a narrow shape is P2, and here it is consist V2, the velocity, okay, the speed of here narrow shape, the fluid velocity, the speed is V2, here V1. At broad shape, that is diameter is more at ends, two ends, so this is capital A surface area, and pressure is P1, the velocity of the fluid is V1. Okay, from equation of continuity, so what is the equation? AV equals to a constant. A into area of the surface into velocity equals to a constant. So here we can apply at two regions, first region and second region. Capital A into V1 equals to small a into V2. So then V2 equals to, from this equation, V2 equals to capital A by small a into V1. So this is consider equation number 1. We can consider equation number 1. So this is incompressible fluid. So for the incompressible fluid, so here these heights from the surface is from outside, inside, okay, inside the fluid to the Venturi channel. Outside the Venturi channel is maximum, it is approximately equal. So then H1 is approximately equals to H2. So then, so here in Venturi channel the fluid is moves incompressible. So it is approximately equals to, the height from the ground is approximately equals to H1 equals to H2. So we can apply using Bernoulli's equation at region number 1 and region number 2 applied. So here P1 plus of rho V1 square plus here rho gravitational potential energy rho G H1 equals to P2 plus of rho V2 square plus rho G H2. So here H1 equals H2, then it is cancelled to each other. So here using this, for example, equation number 2. Equation number 2 is substitute in above equation. You can cancel rho G H1 and rho G H2 here. P1 plus of rho V1 square plus rho G H1 equals to P2 plus of rho V2 square plus H2 equals to H1, then rho G H1. Okay, so both sides is cancelled. Rho G H1 is cancelled. So from this equation, P1 plus of rho V1 square equals to P2 plus of L rho V2 square equals to, so what is V2 square? V2 equals to capital A by small a into V1 of rho into capital A by small a into V1 whole square. Okay, so here the pressure change in pressure P1 minus P2 equals to, so we can take common of rho here, of rho capital A by small a whole square V1 square minus of rho V1 square. Okay, that equals to of rho V1 square is take common into, that is capital A by small a whole square minus 1. So this is P1 minus P2 equals to, so this is equation number 3. in this Venturi channel, the pressure change, okay, here pressure is P1, his pressure is P2, then the change in the pressure is in the manometer, the height will be changed, okay, the height from this bottom to top, the height is taken h. Here the density of manometer fluid is liquid is rho m. So then the change in pressure P1 minus P2 equals to P1 minus P2 equals to rho m g h. So this is equation number 4. From equation number 3 and 4, we can write here of rho v1 square into capital A by small a whole square minus 1 equals to rho m gh. So from this equation we can find out v1 square. v1 square equals to, so this is 2 rho m gh divided by rho into capital A by small a whole square minus 1. Okay, so velocity v1 equals to, okay, velocity v1 equals to square root of 2 rho m gh divided by rho into capital A by small a whole square minus 1. Okay, so v1 equals to, it is also written as 2 rho m gh by rho into, it is 1 by square root of this, so then it is written as a by capital A by small a whole square minus 1 power of, it is 1 by this term power of 1 by 2, it is power of minus 1 by 2. So this equation is to measure the speed of the fluid is inside the Venturi channel. So that is v1 equals to square root of 2 rho m gh by rho into a by small a square minus 1. So we know all these values. Rho m is a manometer fluid density. So it is, rho is the density of fluid in Venturi channel, acceleration due to gravity, height of manometer, area is capital A and small a is a narrow neck, it is a broad neck area. Okay, so we can find out the, with using of this equation, the speed of that particular fluid. Okay, so this is about the Venturi meter. So here from this equation, so for example this is equation number 5. Okay, the Venturi meter or Venturi channel is application of very more applications. So like a carburetor in automobile, in two-wheelers or four-wheelers, in automobiles the carburetor is depend upon the Venturi meter. Okay, depend of the principle of Venturi meter. So that is carburetor. The carburetor is a device, it is used in the automobile system. In this automobile system, the Carburetor is also is consists the Venturi channel, so that is a small neck channel. So it is connected with a petrol pipe. So when in Venturi channel the pressure is lowered, the neck, the petrol is sucked, the petrol is going inside the chamber and provide the correct mixture of air to fluid necessary combustion.